So yesterday I have completed the LeetCode's beginner's guide, around 50%, and from today onwards I will be continuing in English as my friend is going to watch this stream and he don't understand Marathi properly. So let's go. I guess yesterday I stopped somewhere in challenge problem. Oh, ransom note. So ransom note I guess requires hash map which I don't understand properly. So I will first I am right now I'm going to skip this problem like they have also suggested, uh, but after learning hash map I will try to solve this on my own. So today I'm going to skip it and I will go further. A common question when first joining LeetCode is where should I start? Yes, I have the same question. This is tricky question to give a general answer to. No two engineers take the exact same journey. We all learn different skills at different times and therefore should distribute our time and attention differently in order to maximize our studies. In an effort to offer a general answer to this question and point you in the right direction, we will offer several possible starting points. These starting points general advice. It could be okay. That said, not everyone learns the same way. We will also include links to with well-written study plans from fellow lead coders. How much time you have to prepare for interview? Okay, what is your end goal? Are you looking to build up your data structure and algorithm skills, competitive programming skills, or problem skills? Which data structure and algorithms you feel comfortable? Okay, so right now I'm not learning to prepare for any interview, but my end goal is uh, to build up data structure and algorithm skills. Yes, competitive programming skills. Yes, definitely. So this is my goal. So this is different. Yes, of course, if you are looking a skill high level design, database concurrency, or other equally important, okay. Hmm. Questionnaire. The following questions act as a filter, so you only need to read until you find the first question that applies to you. But these are just start. What is challenging? You can just adjust. Okay. I am looking for a structured and efficient way to learn data structure and algorithms. So we recommend you to take official interview crash course. Data structure. Separate is beginner friendly and contains everything. Okay, I do not have time for this question. I don't know. I feel like it is relevant to me. I do not have time for a questionnaire. My interview is in few weeks. Say no, skip fast track. No, this is not my problem. I am mostly interested in learning about databases, SQL or system design. Start with SQL explore card and practice data. Okay, in few days I might need this because I have very less or very little knowledge about databases. To learn about system design, you can start system design explore card. I am currently learning my first programming language. I have most of the syntax down, but no, I'm not two top layers of the explore card track. Okay, I'm not comparing. What is explore card? Explore card. Oh, explore card track. Given the recurrence relation to this, I'm not gonna talk to him. I'm not comparative one. Hmm. So I guess this is good because I want to learn data structure and algorithms, but in structured and efficient ways. So this looks good. Also, I'm not familiar with heaps queues. I'm aware about linked list, but heaps queues or stacks I'm not aware. So this also looks good. Explore track, explore card track. So what should I do? Let's check. Is it free? It is not. So definitely this is of no use for me. I can't pay this much money because I already have access to Udemy. So I might learn these things on Udemy and then come back here. Okay, this looks good. While on the Explore week, big topic, go through the tutorial material. In the Explore card, then go to the problem page. Pick up. Here is tutorial material. If you can't solve the problem on your own, that's okay. Read it to understand the solution, then return. Hmm. Repeat the process for each topic using better. That said, you don't have to restrict the explore card only. It is good to expose yourself to something Chandra said section, learning the fundamentals and solving. Okay. I don't know the layers they were talking about. In where to start section, they have said that first two layers are for the basic. Maybe I can go with arrays 101. Okay, introduction to data structure. Arrays are a simple data structure for storing lot of similar items. They exist in all programming language and are used as the basis for most other data structure. On their own, arrays can be used to solve many interesting problems. Arrays come up very often in interview problems, and so being a guru with them is a must. As per my knowledge, arrays don't exist in Python. In Python, they are called as list. In this Explore card, we will introduce arrays and solve some cool problems with them. This card is available in Java. That is fine. Each topic begins with articles, real. After completion, you will understand what is an array, basic properties, implementing basic array programming techniques. You can just okay. I'm aware about arrays, but maybe I will again go through it. Maybe I will learn something new. Job DVDs. Hmm. Is the stream quality good enough? Just have to confirm. enter, so you only need
Yeah,
to
it
read
is
until
fine.
you find the first question that applies to you. Suppose you had a bunch of DVDs at home that you wanted to arrange neatly, what would be the ideal choice? For storing such a thing, you could find a cardboard box. We can have DVDs. You don't need to physically find it. What is an array? The programming at the time you create the array, this is the same as when we found big enough cardboard box for DVDs. Additionally, you also need to specify the type of item that will be going to array. In Java, we will use okay. After running the DVD collection with 15 places in it, each place can hold one DVD. At start, there is no DVDs. Array can hold 15 DVDs before actually DVDs. What is DVDs? DVDs. Okay. Writing items to array, reading into with a loop. Yeah, this works. So, given a binary array nums, they return a maximum number of consecutive ones in the array. So, okay. I'm not sure how to use these constraints, but for now, I guess that is fine. Oh, I don't want hint. So here, max. So definitely I will have to iterate on the input list. So for I in nums or num in nums, I need one variable which will store the length, consecutive length. So for num in nums, I also need to hold the, no, I don't need to. If num equals 1, a minute. So if num is 1, we will add the current length, add 1 to the current length, then else we will just reset it current equal to 0. Then so it will add 1 to the current length until the number is 1, else it will make it 0. But before making it 0, I should add the length to the previous array. But what if there are two consecutive zeros? Hmm, hmm, hmm. I guess it doesn't matter. And current. What? Where is the output? Hmm. Answer is wrong. So if number, so let's try on this example. If num equals to 1, it will depend 1, 0, it will make current as a 0, then again 1. If num equals to 1, current plus equals to 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Then again 1, it will make it 2. Not equal to 1, it will goes to this block. What is wrong here then? Current equal to 0, it will make plus 1, again 1. Hint, I need hint. Need to think about two things as far as any window is concerned. One thing is starting point for the window. How do you detect that a new window of once has started? Ending point. How do you detect? Okay. So how will I detect a new window started if the it is not 0, then new window started? No. Okay. I have something in my mind. The next part is detecting the ending point for this window. How do you detect the ending point for an existing window? If it changes to 0, that means it is the ending point. So it's to find longest such windows and return the size. So to find the longest, I am using this max, which is good. But starting point and ending point, I might need to reiterate my logic. So I want to detect the window. For that, I need to identify starting point and ending point. If num equals to 1, this is my starting point. If it equals to 0, it is my ending point. Then what is going wrong? Okay, so in the last iteration, it is not going to append. Okay, I can directly append it here, but that might cause some problem. No, it is not, it should not go there. This part should go after the loop. So right now the problem was, uh, so if this is the array, it will append here. So when 0 is detected, it was appending to the consecutive length, but in this iteration no 0 was detected because it was ending at the 1. So after that it was calculating in the current, it had the 3 value, but it didn't got appended to the consecutive length. That's why it was not giving the proper out, but right now it should give. Yeah, I guess I can submit. Ah, it is wrong. Why? Okay, so this statement also required there as well. Hmm. Accepted. Okay, this is done. Why solution is locked? Oh, wow. How many of them contain even number of digits? How will I calculate the digits? In Python, it is easy actually. So definitely again, mm, I might need some temporary variable or num in nums. So I need number of digits. Mm, mm, First I will apply my logic here, but that would str num. So I have converted it to string, then I can calculate the length. Digit count equal to length of str num. count. I need count of how many count of numbers which has even number of digit. So I will keep it empty at first, and if dig count mod 2 equals to 0, so if the remainder of this division is 0, then definitely it has even number of digits. So I will count should be 0 in the beginning. If it is if the division remainder of division is 0, then just make count plus equals 1 and return count. Only thing is this logic I'm not sure if it's correct. mm, I wanted to see the solution for it. If the number then bro, what is this? What is this one-liner solution? Why does it exist? Sum of int floor. What is log? Why log function has used? I mean, yeah, I just can't. This looks good. Oh, so okay. So, oh, definitely this one, this answer is good. So I have converted it into string to count the digit, but instead he has applied one uh, condition, because oh, this is how we should use the constraints. Okay. So the number is in between 10 raised to 5, and using that we can apply logic like the numbers within range 100 to 999 are having odd number of digits, and between 1000 to 9999 all of those have even number of digits. So that logic is definitely the correct one. This part is where I went wrong, but that is fine. This works somehow, but the right approach would have been this one. So this part would have changed. So between 9 to 100, so which is 10 to 99, all of them have even number. Again here they will have even, or the last one. And this one has even number of digits, 6. Okay, I'll just update my solution. Here I have count. Hmm. अरे यार, no. अरे यार, अरे यार, अरे यार. No, no, no. Okay, the next one. Why there is I? Given an integer array num sorted in non-descending order, that means ascending order, return an array of the squares of each number sorted in non-decreasing. Oh, non-decreasing means ascending. In that case, in by default they are giving in non-decreasing order. Then I just don't have to change the order. Just make square and return. No. In case of negative numbers, it becomes positive, and then I will have to sort it. Okay. So I will have to sort it O of n. O of n means I guess one for loop we can do. N square means uh, nested for. So for num in nums. Here I can use list comprehension. I forgot how to square. Then I just need to sort it. I forgot how to, how to sort. Uh, Here we need to write O and solution. Sorting is the problem. I hope this this makes in square of the number. I'm not sure. Just quickly check. I can definitely multiply it by the same number, but I wanted that raised to all of it. I have used the correct operator. So if I have to sort, hmm, how do I do it? Definitely I can use sort function, but it exists only in Python. So I will have to take each item, compare it with others. The first and second. Is there any hint available? No. So the simple simple idea is out equals to out dot sort. None. Hmm. Return. I'm not returning anything there. This will work, but this sort function which I have used, it's wrong. Hmm. Oh, they are asking to first create absolute value and then square it. Uh, so they have created two pointers, left and right. After that, right control is little complicated. I don't get it. A result equal to new int n for I 0 is equal to n minus 1 minus minus. Just try this one. So first I will keep this out as it is, and then I will try to compare and sort. Let's keep it simple. I equal to 0, j equals to length of out. I need something simpler one here. I don't get this thing. I need to study first. I can't directly jump onto the problems. Looks like that. Or maybe I need to take pen and paper and sit. I will stop here.